100% here. I am V.P.Muthukumar, Assistant Professor, PG and Research Department of Computer Science and Applications, Vivekananda College of Arts and Sciences for Women at NMS. Now we are going to discuss about the topic database management system. First we see what is data. Data is a raw fact. It may be anything, a person, a place, a bank account, etc. It may be anything. A data comes from the word datum. Data is a plural form. Data is in plural form. Datum is a singular form. Next, what is database? Database is a collection of interrelated data, and it is also called as collection of tables. That is the place where we can store our informations. We can store our information into a table. The collection of tables from a database is a collection of interrelated data. And a database management system, it is a technology to maintain the database, may organize the data and maintain the database. That is called database management system. The database management system is a software to manage the overall activities of the database. That is for create, retrieve, update operations in the database. And next we move on to the advantages of database management system. And the advantages of database management systems are simplicity, data integration, data migrations, data access. These are all possible. Decision making also possible, backup and recovery, data sharing, data integrity, data security, data privacy, data concurrency, data redundancy, data consistency, low maintenance, and the maintenance cost is very low, and it will support the multiple access support and end-to-end user productivity. Next, move on to the types of database management system language. That is DDL, DML, DCL, and TCL. That is the transaction control language. DDL stands for data definition language, DML stands for data manipulation language, and DCL stands for data control language, and TCL stands for transaction control language. In the DDL language, under this we can create a new table or drop a table, or we can do truncations or rename a table. These operations can be done under data definition language. What are they? That is create, drop, truncate, and rename a table. Next command is data manipulation language. Manipulation is nothing but to do some operations like addition, deletion, etc. Here we use the commands, SQL queries, that is select, insert, delete, and update. We can select a particular columns in a table, and we can insert the values into a table, and we can delete some rows in a table, and we can update the table. Next comes data control language, that is revoke and grant. These are the data control languages. We can give some permissions. Next one is the transaction control languages, that is rollback and commit. That is like save and undo the previous actions. That is called rollback, and commit is nothing but saving the data. Next, we see about how do we create a table using database, using SQL queries in database management system. That is create command is used here. That is create table name and column values and its data type, column 2 and its data type, column etc., column n and its data type, end with a semicolon. The create table name command is used to create a new table. After creating this, we need to insert the values into the table. That is, how can we insert the values into the table means, here we can use an SQL. SQL stands for structured query language. SQL command, that is insert into table name and column. Here we give the column names. suppose we create a student table, means student table may have the fields, that is student name, roll number, and class name, marks, average, total, etc. And we give the column names here, column 1, column 2 and column 3, and the actual values. The first column is the student name, means in the first column we give the student names, and next column is the register number, means we give the register numbers, and next is the class, means we give the class name. Next, insert into table name values. It is an optional, column name is optional here. Otherwise we can use insert into table name and values. Also we can insert the values using the ampersand symbol before the field name. That is, we have to add the ampersand symbol before the field name, that is the column names, and escape sequence characters for inserting a multiple rows. Suppose we need to insert more than one rows, means we do not need to type the command again and again, just we press the // and it will create it will helps to insert a new rows, new values into the table. Next, move on to the select statement. The select statement is used to select a particular column or particular rows in a table. Suppose I want a student's name only in a student table, means we can choose only a table may have many number of fields or column values, but we can choose the required ones. That is, select column name, column comma column 2, etc. from table name. Suppose we need to extract the student name from the student table, means we have to enter the select command, select student name, that is a column name, from table name is student, means we give student. So select star from table name means it will give the entire information belongs to the table, and select column 1, column 2 from table, and we can give some conditions also. Suppose a particular we can search some particular student name, means student's record, means we can give the student's name in the var class, that is student name equal to Roja, like that. And select a distinct also available. The distinct values can be listed here. That is, select distinct column 1, column 2 from table, and it's also select column 1, column 2 from table name where condition 1 and condition 2 and condition 3. We can give more number of conditions, that is the condition 1 and condition 2, condition 3. These conditions are combined by using the keyword AND. Next one is the select